Welcome back, lovely people. So today we are doing a get ready with me quick mommy makeup and hair look type of video. So we're gonna start off with the Got To Be glue, and I'm gonna be setting my eyebrows down. I'm gonna brush them and just apply it and press on my brows just so they can stay in place. Just me doing my brows, I already feel like I have a full face of makeup. But yeah, so now we're just gonna move on to the primer, and I'm just gonna set my face. My face was already moisturized, and now I'm just applying some foundation. And this is MAC Studio Radiance Foundation and NC50. And I'm just blending that in, just tapping the foundation into my skin, all over my chin, my neck, my forehead. Yeah, just making sure that it is all well blended. And I gotta remove this band on my forehead, which was a little work itself. But we got it going on. And of course, I'm gonna blend underneath that, the skin underneath that. Now for concealer, I am using e.l.f. Matte Finish in the color Deep Cinnamon. And also Can't Stop, Won't Stop in the tone Cappuccino. And I'm not even going to fill in my brows. I'm just going to clean them up with the concealer just so that they are presentable. And the brush that I'm actually using is actually from Shein. Yeah, Shein be pulling it up with the makeup brushes nowadays. You know, if you don't know, now you know. But yes. And I'm going to use this Real Techniques setting brush just to set the concealer and get everything looking all blended. All the areas that I applied this concealer, I will be just tapping the setting brush and just making sure everything is well blended. Now I'm gonna go over under my eyes with the e.l.f. concealer. Alright, once everything is blended, yeah, I'm just so excited. So I'm just going to contour my nose. You know, I'm in a rush. I got a few things that I have to do, some errands to run and everything. So that's the only thing I'm going to contour. I'm not going to contour my cheekbones and my forehead or anything like that. Sometimes I don't even contour my nose. But today I'm just like in the vibe and the feeling to just do it. Make sure my nose is like a little bit more pointier. I already have like a smaller nose. But today I'm feeling a little bit more glammy. And that's what we're gonna do, okay? I'm just gonna set with Ben I's Clay and Camel shade. I don't like my set to be too light or white on the whiter side. This will do it. And I'm going to use my throwback Juvia's Place blush palette. And I can't find this at any Ulta or even on their website anymore. but I still use the orangey tone from this palette. I don't know what I'm really gonna do once I'm out of it, but it still gives for me. And then I'm just gonna go over with my black radiance, and this is Toasted Almond. It has like more of a reddish tone, like a rusty red tone. I love it. And my fabulous lip combo would be from Maybelline. It's Maybelline Superstay, and it's the shade Protector. And then my lighter tone, which is the nice nude tone, would be Driver, in the same brand. Here I felt a little washed out, so I did apply a little bit of my blush and my concealer and applied it. Here I'm just transitioning over to doing my hair. I am all done with my makeup, so I'm moving on to my edges and then the rest of the hair. Okay guys, slight disclaimer, okay? This hairstyle is not going to be completely perfect. It's just going to be a 1-2 do, and then I gotta go. You know, I'm just trying to make sure that I look decent and presentable, nothing too crazy, you know? And I'm just curling the hair upwards, you know? So it gives me that little flip, that little Marilyn Monroe type of look, that little, like, flawless feminine vibes. I'm getting big sections. To me, these are big sections. I don't know about you guys, but to me, these are big sections that I'm just grabbing up, you know, brushing and then curling up. And I'm not even letting it stay in the curler that long. It's like 1, 2, 3. Oop, it's cooked. Boom. And then moving on to the other side, you know? So I'm trying to be Speedy Gonzalez with these curls. Now with this side now, I am putting the hair at the very end of the curler and then kind of like curling it up too. I hope I'm making sense when I'm describing this curling process. And now I'm just gonna finger comb the curls so they don't look too crazy. And I did miss a piece in the back there, but I'm just gonna tuck it in. Don't judge me, guys, please. I'm just gonna, you see the little blonde piece right there? Yep, that one right there. Just tucking it right in there. I don't think the people will notice. I don't think they will notice at all. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Yes. So please support and leave a comment, subscribe, and like. Thank you guys.